This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, bigger selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
Hey, how you doing, guys? Steve Lav here. It's July 3rd, 2018, early in the morning. Value Testers is one of the sponsors that I have for the channel, and it's a big tool company, and they wanted to do a giveaway on that fieldpiece BG36 service bag, and I'm here to announce the winner. They sent me an email yesterday to announce the winner, and what they had to do is you had to go over to their website, and you had to create a login and send an email, and you entered to win. So the winner is Daniel Robert from Mount Royal, QB in Canada, Quebec in Canada. So they'll be sending you out the bag. Congratulations, Daniel Robert. And I just wanted to I'm just going to throw this quick little, announcement up, and that's the winner. So they're talking they might be doing more giveaways in the future. They sent me a UEI digital gauges to test out as a demo. So I did kind of, get the app downloaded, and I kind of looked at them a little bit, and I usually use the Spall and Smart tool. I like the app, and I like the, checking superheat and subcool. It's a pretty good setup. But anyway, I'll be doing that video soon. I'll start using it on the job, try it out, and they're talking about maybe they'll send that out as a next giveaway. We'll see. But anyway, just a quick little update and announcing the winner. All right, guys, more videos to come.